to King's College London. It's a great pleasure to see you here. I would like to begin by asking your view of what impact the elections and the election result will have on the struggle with terrorism and militancy within Pakistan.
Thank you, Mr. Levin. It's a great pleasure for me to be here in the King's College London.
And this is a great educational institute, and I am very pleased to be here and to have met with you. And as far as the elections are concerned, in my opinion, these elections will prove to be a good sign for the future of Pakistan and the region. First, Pakistan was going through its worst economic crisis. And comparatively, although they are not ideal, but Muslim League Nawaz's team, compared to the other parties, their team and their economic vision is much better than the others. The second point is, in this election, the Pakistani leadership received a clear message that they cannot get votes by using the traditional mix and by exploiting the differences between the voters as they used to do in past anymore. Instead, the Pakistani population has started voting on the basis of performance, and this will pressurize the ruling party to improve their performance. And the third, the most serious problem that Pakistan is faced with is that of terrorism and religious extremism. And even in that regard, compared to the other leaders in the previous 10 years, Nawaz Sharif's thoughts have got
बाकी लीडरशिप के हवाले के मुकाबले में उनका विजन भी वो निस्बतन दुरुस्त सिमत में है.
And third, he is the only Pakistani leader that can challenge the Pakistani establishment. Compared to the other leaders, Nawaz Sharif is more able to engage different players such as religious extremists, the West, and the Arab world.
और वेस्ट और अरब दुनिया वो भी उनके दरमियान ब्रिज बनने की नवाज शरीफ की कैपेबिलिटी वो हमारे बाकी कौमी लीडर्स की बनिस्बत ज़्यादा है. Not only the Pakistani between the religious elements the Taliban and the rest of the world.
And what do you think his strategy will be towards militancy in Pakistan? Because there's obviously a great public support in Pakistan for the idea of peace talks with the Pakistani Taliban. But a great many observers are not sure what those peace talks could in fact be about, in effect, given the radicalism of the TTP's demands.
Actually, if Nawaz Sharif would have gotten into confrontation with the army, that would have been dangerous for the country and for him. Before the election, it seemed like as if, due to the past 10 years' bitterness, he will move forward in a confrontational mode with the establishment. But after the election, looking at the last 1 month's performance, it seems like that he wants to take them in confidence and move forward through consultation. Right after the election results, he wanted to start the negotiation process with the Taliban, but the military did not seem to be in favor of the negotiations at that time. And this is the reason why, after becoming the Prime Minister, when he spoke to the Parliament, he excluded the condition of talking to the Taliban. At the moment,
इस
Nawaz
वक्त,
Sharif's and the military
मिलिट्री
are
और
consulting
उनकी
each other
consultation का
and
अमल
seem
जारी
like
है
that in next 2
और
weeks
लगता
they
है कि
will
coming
finalize a
2
strategy in
weeks
this
में
regard.
वो इस हवाले से अपनी स्ट्रेटजी को फाइनलाइज कर देंगे।
And
मेरा
my guess
अंदाज़ा
is that
ये
the
है
military
कि
will come on board with him on
मिलिट्री
this
भी
issue,
उनके साथ
and at the first
इस मामले
opportunity they
में
will try
on
to
board हो
negotiate
जाएगी
and
और
reconciliate with the
पहली
Taliban.
फुर्सत में
So the
वो
first
तालिबान
priority
के
will be
साथ
to have a negotiation
मुज़ाकरात और
and
reconciliation
find a solution
और
through that.
मुफाहमत की कोशिश करेंगे।
But
तो
if
पहली कोशिश
this
उनकी
does
ये
not
होगी
work,
कि
then
negotiations
Nawaz
हों
Sharif
और
will
उसके
come to
ज़रिए
using
हल
serious
निकले।
power
लेकिन
and
अगर वो
force
हल
against
ना
them.
निकला तो फिर नवाज शरीफ तालिबान के ख़िलाफ़ पूरी क़ुव्वत और संजीदगी के साथ इस्तेमाल करने की तरफ आएंगे।
Actually, at the moment, it does not look like that
इस
the
वक्त
Pakistani state can fulfill the demands of the
बज़ाहिर जो
Taliban,
डिमांड्स हैं
and neither does
तालिबान
Taliban
के,
seem to be in the mood of fulfilling the
उनको पूरा
Pakistani
करना
government's demands.
तो पाकिस्तानी हुकूमत या रियासत के लिए मुमकिन नज़र नहीं आता। और इसी तरह तालिबान इस मूड में नज़र नहीं आते कि जो पाकिस्तानी स्टेट के उनसे डिमांड्स है
In my
वो
opinion,
उनको पूरा करना।
maximum what
मेरे
Nawaz
ख्याल में
Sharif's government can
maximum
offer
जो नवाज
is the
शरीफ की
general
हुकूमत
pardon
ऑफर कर
and
सकती
can
है
compensate for the
वो
collateral
उनके
damage in
लिए
their areas.
आम माफ़ी
Apart of this,
और
they
जो
cannot do
अगर
anything else.
मुख्तलिफ डैमेजेस हुए हैं उन इलाकों के उसकी कंपनसेशन, इसके अलावा कुछ और नहीं दे सकती।
One of the
एक मुतालबा तो
TTP's
जो
demand
का है
will be
वो
resolved
वैसे
in the
भी
next
coming
year
year
anyway.
में हल हो जाएगा।
It is the demand of
जो वो ये
Pakistan
कहते हैं
getting
कि
out of the NATO's
पाकिस्तान
war against
अमेरिका
Taliban.
के या नेटो के तालिबान के खिलाफ जंग से निकल जाए।
Secondly, since the
ये
Afghan
जब
Taliban
अफगान
are
तालिबान
negotiating with the
अमेरिका से
Americans,
मुज़ाकरात कर रहे हैं,
this
तो
makes
उसके
this
नतीजे में
TTP's demand
TTP के
fairly
स्लोगन
weak.
से वो कशिश भी निकल जाएगी।
And the
दूसरी
second
डिमांड
demand
उनकी
is
जो
the
शरीयत का
implementation of
नफाज
Sharia.
है, तो
This
वो
can be
उनके
resolved
साथ
through debate,
डिबेट
and
के
they can be
ज़रिए
assured
उनको
that in
कायल
Pakistani
कराया जा सकता है
constitution,
कि
Sharia
ऑलरेडी
is already the
पाकिस्तानी
supreme law.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में शरीयत सुप्रीम लॉ है।
Therefore, if there is
इसलिए
going to be
मेरे
any
ख्याल में
deal,
अगर
it
डील
will be on the
होगी
point of
तो
clemency.
वो सिर्फ इस नुक्ते पे
Apart of
होगी कि
this, the
उनको
Pakistani
आम
government
माफ़ी
cannot
दी
offer
जाए
anything
और
else.
इसके सिवा कोई पाकिस्तानी हुकूमत उनको और ऑफर नहीं कर सकती।
In this
इस
regard,
हवाले
Imran
से
Khan's understanding have
कुछ
few
खास
problems.
रोल मुझे नज़र नहीं
Since the
आता
actual
और इस
opposition
मामले
role
में
is being played by the Imran Khan's
की
party,
जो
and
understanding
also the
है,
fact that they have
उसमें
been in
भी
favor of
बहुत ज़्यादा
negotiations with the
प्रॉब्लम्स हैं।
Taliban,
अलबत्ता इस
this
हद
makes
तक
Nawaz
इमरान
Sharif's
खान और
position
उनकी
very strong
पार्टी का
compared to
रोल
those
होगा
who oppose the negotiations with the Taliban.
चूंकि इस वक्त वो
This means that Imran
जो
Khan's
एक्टिव
stance
अपोजिशन है
strengthens Nawaz
की, वो
Sharif's
उनकी
stance
जमात है और
in
चूंकि वो
opposition to
पहले
the
से
establishment
मुज़ाकरात
and
के
others that
वकील हैं,
oppose the negotiations
तो
with the
जो
Taliban.
निगोशिएशन के मुखालिफिन हैं उनके मुकाबले में नवाज शरीफ की पोजीशन इमरान खान की वजह से मजबूत हो जाती है कि देखें वो भी मुज़ाकरात की हिमायत कर रहे हैं। यानी इस्टेब्लिशमेंट या निगोशिएशन के जो दूसरे अपोनेंट हैं पाकिस्तान में, उनके मुकाबले में नवाज शरीफ की निगोशिएशन या मुज़ाकरात के लिए पोजीशन मजबूत हो जाती है इमरान खान के स्टांस की वजह से।
But the practical role will be played by Nawaz Sharif,
में जो रोल होगा
the establishment and few religious parties,
establishment
whereas Imran Khan's
या
practical
बाज़
role to me does not
religious
seem very
leaders
significant.
का होगा। इमरान की बनिस्बत इन सब का रोल बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट होगा और इमरान का अमली शक्ल में कोई रोल मुझे ज़्यादा नज़र नहीं आता।
You mentioned the peace talks between America and the Afghan Taliban. I find these very hopeful. I welcome them greatly. But of course, the Karzai regime in Kabul has been strongly opposed to them. So how hopeful are you about a positive outcome from such talks?
Actually, the process that has started in
जो
Qatar,
कतर में प्रोसेस
although there
हुआ
are
है,
still many problems associated with that,
अगरचे अभी
but the
उसमें भी
Qatar
बहुत
talks
सारे
can only
problems
resolve
हैं,
the problem between the
लेकिन
Americans and the
कतर
Taliban,
talks से
especially the Afghan
ज़्यादा
Taliban.
से ज़्यादा ये हो सकता है कि
The Afghan
अमेरिकन
problem cannot be
और
resolved
तालिबान
through
का
these
मसला हल हो जाए।
or even the problem of Pakistan.
अफगानिस्तान का मसला अगर इस तरीके से वो जाते हैं तो उससे हल नहीं हो सकता, और इवन द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ पाकिस्तान। वजह उसकी
The
ये है
reason
कि
is
इस वक्त
it is easy for the Taliban
जो
to accept the
अमेरिकन
American demands,
के
and it is
डिमांड्स हैं,
easy for the Americans to accept the
तालिबान
Taliban
के लिए
demands.
उनको पूरा करना आसान है, और जो तालिबान का डिमांड है वो अमेरिकन के लिए पूरा करना आसान है।
Americans want to have an honorable exit, and if the Taliban could assure that the Afghan soil will not be used by the Al-Qaeda in future, and Taliban can easily accept their demands for cutting their ties with the Al-Qaeda.
और ये मुतालबा तालिबान बड़ी आसानी से मान सकते हैं। तालिबान उनके इस मुतालबे को पूरा कर सकते हैं कि वो अल-कायदा से ताल्लुक़ी कर ले।
And the Taliban demands that the Americans should leave Afghanistan, that the Americans are going to do anyway.
अफगानिस्तान में स्पेस मिल जाए तो वो काम भी अमेरिकन आसानी के साथ कर सकते हैं।
But the long-term Afghan peace requires intra-Afghan dialogue and reconciliation.
और reconciliation ज़रूरी है।
But the problem is that it is very difficult for the Taliban to accept the demands of the Afghan government, and it is very difficult for the Afghan government to accept the demands of the Taliban.
के लिए तालिबान के डिमांड्स को मानना बहुत मुश्किल है।
In Qatar process, although the Americans and the Taliban are negotiating, but the Afghan government and other factions are not much involved and are not on board as much as the Taliban, the Americans, or even the Pakistanis are.
उतने इन्वॉल्व और ऑन बोर्ड नहीं है जितना कि तालिबान या अमेरिकन या इवन पाकिस्तान है।
Secondly, for the intra-Afghan dialogue and reconciliation, it is very important that the neighbors of Afghanistan and the regional powers are involved and facilitated.
उनकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट और फैसिलिटेशन ज़रूरी है।
But unfortunately, in Qatar process, a part of Pakistan, no other neighboring country or regional power is involved.
और पड़ोसी मुल्क या रीजनल फोर्स ऑन बोर्ड नहीं है।
That is why Russia and India have supported the Karzai stand. So in my opinion, it is very important for the long-term peace in Afghanistan, if it is the Qatar process or any other process, that the internal factions, the regional players, and the neighboring countries are also involved.
और रीजनल कंट्रीज को भी और पड़ोसी ममालिक को भी ऑन बोर्ड किया जाए।
What do you think that Pakistan and India need to agree with each other concerning Afghanistan?
Actually, Pakistan and India have been fighting a proxy war in Afghanistan for a long time. Whenever India has managed to have some political space in Afghanistan, they have used it against the Pakistan. And similarly, when Pakistan had managed to have some political space in Afghanistan, they have used it against India.
But how can you get out of that?
But unfortunately, after 9/11, the Americans and the NATO have been giving more space to India in Afghanistan. And because of this, the Pakistanis have been frustrated and they have not been facilitating any peace talks as much as they could have.
इंडिया को ज़्यादा एकोमोडेट करने की कोशिश करते रहे, जिसकी वजह से पाकिस्तान एंग्री रहता था और वो अमूमन इस तरह के जो पीस टॉक्स होते थे उनको फैसिलिटेट नहीं कर रहा था।
And now it seems that the Americans are addressing the Pakistani concerns, but the Indians are ignored. In my opinion, some of the Indians' interests and concerns are genuine, but some of their ambitions and demands are unjustified. And similarly, there have been some genuine concerns and interests aired by the Pakistanis. And in past, when Pakistan had the chance, they tried to address their own concerns, but will ignore the India's concerns. And similarly, when India had the chance, they will address their concerns and ignore the Pakistan's concerns.
इंटरेस्ट और कंसर्न को एड्रेस किया जाए, लेकिन वो इंडियन को इग्नोर कर देते हैं और जब इंडियन का किया जाता है तो फिर पाकिस्तान का इग्नोर कर दिया जाता है।
If the Americans, the UK and the NATO countries could facilitate a reasonable patch-up between the India and Pakistan in this regard, and instead of using proxies, if the economy and trade routes are used and the focus is on Afghanistan, which is at the moment a battleground, then this situation could be turned around into an area of cooperation between the two countries.
तो इस वक्त अफ़गानिस्तान लड़ाई का मरकज़ है दोनों का, तो ये दोनों के कोऑपरेशन का ज़रिया भी हो सकता है।
And if the interdependency between Pakistan and India increases in Afghanistan, the Afghan situation can help resolve other issues like Kashmir and other problems between India and Pakistan.
तो ये कश्मीर और दीगर डिस्प्यूट के सॉल्व में भी अफगानिस्तान उल्टा मुआविन हो सकता है.
Although Pakistan is key Afghan neighbor and it has been the most affected country, therefore understandably it has a bigger stake in Afghanistan. But the Indian role cannot be ignored either. But in past, the Americans have tried to accommodate and excluded either India or Pakistan just to further their own interest in the region.
अपने इंटरेस्ट के मुताबिक इंडिया या पाकिस्तान को एक्कोमोडेट या डिसलोकेट करने की कोशिश की है.
And in the wider India-Pakistan relationship, in order to get better relations, what would Pakistan have to give up and what would India have to give up in terms of concessions?
Actually, both countries have a legacy. And in order to break away from it, the leaders of both countries will have to show some real leadership qualities. So, if the weapons of the modern time, such as economy and trade, etc., are used, and if the leadership of the two countries come to these issues and using these weapons, then the solution of the dispute will become easy. But if they keep on looking at this stereotypically, then this remains the issue of honor, prestige, and national pride. And if things go this way, then it seems very difficult to find a solution to this problem. In Pakistan, unfortunately, to a great extent, the India-related policy is dictated by the military. And in India, the Pakistan-related policy, unfortunately, is dictated by their media. If the new political leadership of Pakistan come to the driving seat in policy making through good governance and competence and gaining the confidence of the nation, then they can possibly determine a new direction for the country and have the military buy into it too. And in India, if their leadership could show the real leadership qualities, and instead of following the media, if they could lead the media, then the situation can be patched up.
इंडिया से मुतालिक पॉलिसी को मिलिट्री डिक्टेट कर रहा है और इंडिया में अनफॉर्चुनेटली उनका मीडिया डिक्टेट कर रहा है.
There are two levels of trade.
पॉलिटिकल लीडरशिप,
one where Pakistani commodities are exported to India and Indian commodities are exported to Pakistan.
फॉरेन पॉलिसी में तो वो एक नया रुख डिटरमिन कर सकते हैं मिलिट्री को अपने पीछे लगा के.
First, there are a lot of reservations amongst the Pakistani traders and the army. And secondly, this level of economic dependence will not be durable means of building peace between the two countries.
Actually, ट्रेड के और इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ के दो लेवल हैं. एक तो सिर्फ तिजारत का है, ये कि उनकी कमोडिटीज़ हमारी तरफ आ जाएं और हमारी कमोडिटीज़ उनकी तरफ चले जाएं. इसके बारे में तहफ़्फ़ुज़ात भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, ख़ुसूसन पाकिस्तानी ट्रेडर्स में और मिलिट्री इस्टेब्लिशमेंट में. और मेरे ख़्याल में ये कोई पायदार ताल्लुक़ का या पीस के अमल को फैसिलिटेट करने.
The second level of economic cooperation are the long-term projects such as Pakistan becoming the trade route for Central Asia. If this happens, then these projects will not only facilitate the peace process, and the traders will also
और उसके बारे में
be less concerned
ज़्यादा
about them.
concerns भी नहीं होंगे traders वगैरह के। तो
The second level of economic cooperation
cooperation
are the long-term
strategic
projects,
basis पे हो जाए
such as Pakistan
और
becoming the
उसके
route
लिए
for Central
long-term
Asia.
मंसूबे बन जाएं,
And if this happens,
तो वो
then these projects will
न
not
सिर्फ ये
only
कि दोनों
facilitate
ममालिक
the
को
peace
करीब लाएंगी,
process,
बल्कि वो जंग
but also
और टेंशन
that
की
the
चीज़ों
traders
को
will be far
रोकेंगी,
less
क्योंकि
concerned
दोनों
about them.
ममालिक का एक दूसरे पे डिपेंडेंस भी होगा, तिजारती इंटरेस्ट भी होंगे और स्टेक्स भी होंगे। लेकिन सिर्फ
Therefore,
तिजारत के बारे
if the
में
economic
एक
cooperation
तो
is
जो
built on
local
strategic basis
पाकिस्तानी
and
इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हैं,
long-term
उनके
projects
concerns
are
भी बहुत
designed
ज़्यादा हैं,
for this purpose,
बल्कि
then
उसका
it will not
एक ही
only bring
वाक़े
the two
से,
countries
क्योंकि
together.
long-term इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं होती तो वो सारा प्रोसेस रिवर्स भी हो जाता है।
So,
तो
for
उसमें
example,
अगर
if gas pipeline
का,
is
क्योंकि इस वक्त इंडिया का
taken forward,
उसकी ज़रूरत
as
है
India has an
का,
energy
और वो
crisis,
सेंट्रल एशिया से
and
उसे
this
मिल
gas
सकता
can
है,
be provided
या
from the
उसको
Central Asia,
commodities के लिए
or
market चाहिए,
India
वो
needs
भी
the
उसका
market for its
सेंट्रल एशिया
commodity,
हो सकता है, और
they
ज़ाहिर
can
बात है कि
take
उसका
that to
रूट
Central Asia as well.
पाकिस्तान होगा।
And obviously, the
तो
route
अगर वो
will be
long term
Pakistan
मंसूबे हों,
are put in
तो
place,
वो रिवर्स
then they
भी आसानी
cannot
से
be
नहीं हो
easily
सकती,
reversed,
और वो
and
जंग
they
और
can
टेंशन
also
को भी
mitigate the
रोकेंगी दोनों।
issues of war
Thank you
and
so
other
much. I
tensions.
entirely agree
Thank
with you.
Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you for coming to
Nice
Kings.
to talk to you.
It was a pleasure.